Chief DIWE, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm on.
Okay, go ahead.
Because there is no time for prolonged protocol. Because Chief Nyanwodo, Ebalianarinne, ihe gbasara funding bụ nnukwu ihe mana anyị mere makpụ ya mistake but onye lawa alarugo ya na alarụtụkwa onwere ihe dịka funding Ohanaeze ndị Igbo ọ bụrụ ọrarọ ka ihe ndị Igbo na-eme funding Ohanaeze ndị Igbo eruro ihe ndị Igbo na-eme ma ndị Igbo jikọta onwe ha ọnụ unu cheta na before the war mgbe a na-ekwu okwu town unions and all that all 90% of all the projects in Igbo were all funded by the union, by the town union, by the Igbo unions, without exception. Government in the Ohanaeze and the Ndiigbo didn't depend on the government either for funding or for the development projects they were carrying out. Yeah? I think we need to go back to that format. Ndiigbo. Secondly, the constitution of Ohanaeze, the one we read, that the town union is the bedrock of Ohanaeze Ndiigbo. I don't know if we are leveraging, if we are taking advantage of this leverage properly in the organization. Because if we are doing so, the leadership sagacity of Nyanwodo, I want to combine with the with the corresponding mobilization, which the town union, supportive mobilization, which the town union will provide. I don't think no one ma funding, ma acceptability, ma wanaga and wouldn't have been like this. Now, and that guarantee, I'm more by constitution or statutorily. I'm not the of the governors. Mana, the government kwesịrị fund Ohanaeze ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo kwesịrị fund Ohanaeze ndị Igbo. The three governors known as Southeast today are all from three different political parties. And in fairness to them, they are looking at leaders. Anyway, in conclusion, I know I'm not going to go time, but in conclusion, because this meeting, any dream mayor, after put out some leaderships of Ndiigbo, not just virtual meeting. We need to sit together. Why is meeting? I neighbor a lot of.
Thank you. Thank you very much.